There's a flashing there that I put down the side, down there. I want this to go on top of that, so any water running off here, if it ever does get in, will be on that side of the flashing. That wants to go on top of that. Right, now I've got a 3x2 that I've got to slide underneath from inside. I was going to put a 4x2 on, but I forgot. Not much depth on there. Don't matter. Put some sticky stuff on. I can't cut into this, it's only 70mm thick. Put some sticky flashing on if I have to. So that's it from inside. There's that flashing. Just got to slide one of these 3x2s up underneath it. That's in there. Get some fixings in it now, wherever I can. And then I'm going to put some more battens at the back of here to back this up. Hammer that over a bit. Then back it up with a bit of batten that'll go up there. Right, because this is 70mm thick, I was a bit paranoid about undercutting his cement. I've got some clips, some roofing clips. Lead fixers, whatever you call them, that go in there, but I haven't cut it very deep. I don't think they'll go in, so I'm just going to do what I used to do. I'm just going to wedge a bit of lead in. Just going to hammer it in there. Might be a bit big, but I'll clean it off, hammer it in, whatever. It's in enough to hold this. Tidy it up a bit later when I dress this up. Get one in this end as well. That one went in a bit better. I change that later. Not right now. Then I can just dress over the top of it. So now I've fixed that timber in place. Before I start beating on this, I'm going to put some of these clips in between the wood and the stone. I'll hammer them in. Just doubled that timber up, stiffen it a bit. What we've got to do now is put a batten on here, just to stop that falling down. Right, so that's now trapping that lead against the brickwork, against the stone. I was going to cover this cavity, but you don't normally have any problem with water coming down the cavity on the top of your like a normal window reveal, so I didn't bother. Get some insulation in. do the other side, get some paint on those. And I was going to stick a screw through there because I didn't make a haunch, but okay, I don't think it'll go anywhere. Alright, when I made this window I sort of changed my mind about the front of this. I was just going to put the face cladding straight on this, but I think I'm going to put a 2x1 on, and I put a 4-inch piece on here. To get this window in right, I need to reduce this to 3-inch. I've only got that piece of 3-inch, it's not enough. So I'm going to rip these down, take them off, rip them down while that paint dries. There's always one in there. Needs a drill to get that out. But I bought this a little while ago. It didn't cost much, so I thought I'll give it a go. I haven't had much luck with these sort of things. They're normally a bit shit. But this one, it's got this reverse cutter on it, reverse head thing, whatever. Now is the time to try. Nah, complete load of bollocks. I've got a pair of standard Irwin ones that should be living in the van, but of course they're not, but these are. Just. Yay. Stand seems to be holding up alright. Seems a bit wobbly, but didn't seem to move much while I was doing that. Get these screwed back on and I can get window in. And I'll put this untreated edge to the inside. And I'm going to throw all these screws away. Like I say, seems a bit wasteful, but honestly it saves you a lot of pain in the neck. I've screwed it down, but also spiked a couple into this upright. That helps tie all that together, stops that rocking a bit. Get on me. Take this off, I just put that on temporary. Get all this back wrapped around. Right, it's getting late and it's Sunday. And I don't know if I can get this in on my own, so I'm just hanging around a bit waiting for them to get home. I've just tacked a DPC on the bottom. You wouldn't normally put that on a window, but it's only just long enough to wrap over there. But any water that does get under there maybe won't get past this. I'd like to have made that 20mm. Be right. Won't do any harm. Right, just temporary in for now. It's sunset. But you can see there's a good 5mm there. And a good 5mm there, so I can get it square. There's 5mm at least at the top. And it's going to come forward, thickness of a batten. but that's tomorrow. Right, I haven't done any packing yet, but that's pretty good. Don't really want to screw it down, but I think I am going to stick a couple of screws in. Right, so that's fixed down. It's just one screw at either side, so the bottom's level. Near enough. Now what's important is that this frame is square. When they cut the glass, they'll cut it square, and if my frame's slightly out, then it won't fit basically. So I'm going to use my pointy stick, put that in up there. So put that in up there, and then I've got a pencil mark there. See, that's bang on there. If I flip it over, see, that's bang on there. But I haven't fixed this yet. So what I'm going to do is try and put a fixing in there without moving that leg, and a fixing in there, and I'll check with my pointy stick, and I'll adjust those packers as accordingly as I can. I can't get my 6 foot level in. I've got my laser on at the moment, but it's a bit fat, this laser. It's not like my Sapele. I should be able to work that as straight as I can. I might be able to get this in actually. Just need a straight edge. Because it's fixed at the bottom, it'll be fixed at the top. And then it just needs to be straight in between. I'll be able to work off that. I'll get a few more fixings down the side. 1, 2, probably just 4 down each side, and I've already put 2 in the head just to stop it falling about. And I'll put 3 or 4 in the top. So just put 1 in the top. It did pull it in a bit. You can see my laser's off now, but I'll check it with a stick again, and then I can get a fixing in that side. Right, so I've got 4 fixings in there, and I just used the same size packer as on the rest, so that's 6mm all the way down. You see, tight at the top, touching at the bottom, but I've got about 1mm out there. I don't think I'm going to alter that. I think I'm just going to live with that millimetre. I'm going to be fixing 1/2 inch ply on top of here, so I'm going to live with that. But on this side I've got 6mm and 9mm, and I need to pack it in between, so it'll be like 6, 7, 8, 9mm to get that straight or whatever. And up there it's only 3mm, so when this board goes on, we'll see what it looks like, but I don't think you'll see 3mm. Not once it's all painted and caulked and blathered. So that's fixed in place all around now. I'm going to give the inside of the beads a bit of a paint and get some foam around it. Right, painted and foamed. Let the paint go off, board it up. And the glass people are coming tomorrow to measure. They're going to fit the glass, carry it in, put it in. I'll do the beading around it, but I don't want anything to do with the glass until it's in the unit. I gave the outside another coat as well. So, get some more battens on. and go wash my brush out. A weird storm, Sierra, whatever it is. My ladder's come down. The lead looks good.